Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all mobile network problems. Mobile network not working, no signal, slow internet, all these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings up icon. Go down, go to system, tap here. Go to reset options. Then tap on reset mobile network settings. Read the message. This will reset all mobile network settings. Tap on this reset settings button. Again tap on reset settings. Done. See the message, network settings have been reset. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the mobile network settings. After this reset operation, you can go back. Then you can check your mobile network. That should work. So this way we can reset mobile network settings and fix all mobile network issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.